Hi, in this quick video I want to show you a simple trick on how to find the best oil from the collection that you have. Whether it's the one you're teaching, whether it's the one you're writing about, whether it's the collection you have at work or at home, you can find the exact oil that is best suitable for the problem you're talking about or needing to face in just a few seconds. So I want to show you how I do that. And how I came up with this is because, just like everybody else, when I go to a conference, I'm just overwhelmed with amazing essential oils, and I'm attracted to some I never tried before, or the ones that smell beautiful, or I just liked the distiller I just met. Whatever your reason is, we all end up with at least a few oils that we have no idea what to do with. So what I urge you to do, and something that I love to do, is when I get a new oil, I automatically add it to my favorites. So here in Dropsmart, this is where a catalog is and where you have all the essential oils. And as you probably know, here you can search and filter for whatever it is that you're looking for, whether it's a specific bacteria, something for the type of skin, or back pain. So whatever it is that you're looking for, you can search here, but this searches through the entire list. What I want to do is to search only through the oils that I have, because they have an expiring date, and collecting dust in my cupboard just because I impulsively bought them is not doing good for me, my clients, my family, or the environment. So we want to be mindful of all of that. It is very simple. You just perhaps search for the oil you have, or just go through, and here I will choose this thyme linalool and add it to my favorites. It's this icon right here, the heart one. It's very simple and straightforward. So this one has a blue heart on it, even if I remove the mouse, so I know that this one is in my collection. And you just go through the oils and add it to your collection. Or you can search for the exact oil you're looking for. Let's say it's tea tree. So then you can go to tea tree and add that one to your favorites. And this is then specific to your user. It is molded for you. So please do use these tools, because we want to make Dropsmart as accessible to you as possible, as fast and as useful, as molded to your needs as possible. So if you're here, you will be looking at all the oils available in database. But what you want to do is create your favorites, and that is right here. I don't have tea tree, obviously. And then it will show you only the oils that you have. And currently I have 69. Probably have more, but these are the ones that I have in my collection. So what do I do? This will take just a few minutes or even seconds, depending on how big your collection is. And let's say I have back pain, or I have a client coming to me with back pain, or I want to teach about back pain, or I want to write an article about back pain. So whatever it is, or you want to sell an oil for back pain, and this is the collection you're working for, this is where you want to search. And I write pain. And out of the, how many did I have? 69 oils that I have in my collection, 43 popped up. So okay, I might have thought that all of these, I typically reach out for them, but I have 3 other pages that I might look into, and let me just look at all of them. So I might go scroll through my list and find something I wouldn't think of using for pain, like this Vitex berry right here. I have it in my cupboard. I really enjoy it. It's actually, this was a present from the distiller, but I had no idea how to use it. So here for back pain, I use the oil I have. I use this technique often because I have many oils, and I love to collect rare and new ones, and I just run out of ideas what to use them for, and they oxidate very quickly, actually. So I hope this quick video was useful for you. I hope you will do your collection right now. I promise it only takes a few minutes. It's very simple to set up, and it will save you tons of time, money, It will make you more creative with the oils that you have. It will make you more professional if this is what you use for work. It will just make it easier to suit whatever it is that you need to do with the oils you're collecting. Let me know which ones are your favorite oils, and have a beautiful day ahead.